Understanding how the body changes after 50. Why aging doesn't have to mean decline. Mindset shift. Growing older versus growing weaker. Aging is inevitable, but how we age is largely influenced by the daily choices we make. After 50, the body goes through changes in metabolism, muscle mass, hormonal balance, and cognitive function. But contrary to popular belief, aging doesn't have to mean a slow decline. Many people over 50 live with more energy, mental sharpness, and physical vitality than they did in their 30s because they've adopted the right habits. Biologically, we experience changes like decreased bone density, slower metabolism, and reduced collagen. But the rate of these changes is not fixed. Genetics plays a role, but lifestyle choices account for up to 70% of the way we age. What's crucial is a mindset shift. Stop equating age with limitation. Instead, embrace the idea that your 50s and beyond can be a time of strength, purpose, and renewed health. This chapter sets the foundation for understanding how the following 6 habits, rooted in science, can help keep you energized, sharp, and thriving well into your senior years. Habit 1. Move daily. Exercise for strength, mobility, and mood. Habit 2. Eat whole. Nourish your cells, not just your appetite. Habit 3. Sleep deep. Restore your brain and body. Habit 4. Think sharp. Protect and grow your cognitive power. Habit 5. Connect often. Social health equals longevity. Habit 6. Stay curious. Keep learning. Keep living. Each of these habits addresses a key part of aging well. Move daily. Consistent movement, especially strength and balance exercises, maintains muscle and bone health. It also boosts mood and brain health. Eat whole. A diet rich in vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, lean protein, and whole grains provides the nutrients your body needs to repair and thrive. Sleep deep. Quality sleep helps regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and consolidate memory. Think sharp. Mental fitness is just as vital. Reading, puzzles, new skills, and mindfulness practices like meditation preserve cognitive health. Connect often. Meaningful relationships and regular social interaction reduce the risk of depression and even dementia. Stay curious. A sense of purpose and openness to learning help you stay mentally young and emotionally resilient. These habits aren't quick fixes. They're lifelong tools to support vitality and joy as the years go by. How to make lasting changes after 50. Breaking old routines with grace. Building momentum, not perfection. Making changes in midlife can be intimidating, but it's entirely doable. The key is not to chase perfection, but to build small, consistent wins. Start with one habit, perhaps a daily walk or upgrading one meal per day to something fresh and whole. Once it feels natural, build on that. Break down each golden habit into doable steps. For example, move daily might begin with stretching for 5 minutes after waking. Eat whole might mean replacing one processed snack with fruit and nuts. Connect often can be a weekly phone call or walk with a friend. One effective approach is habit stacking, linking a new habit to an existing. For example, stretch after brushing your teeth, or meditate right after your morning coffee. Also, don't underestimate mindset. Focus on identity-based habits, not "I'm trying to eat healthier," but "I am someone who values health." Over time, these small actions become natural parts of your identity and lead to lifelong results. The role of mindset, purpose, and gratitude in aging. Real-life stories of people thriving after 50. Your roadmap for a vibrant, long life. Living long is one thing, but living well is everything. Studies show that people with a strong sense of purpose live longer, healthier lives. Purpose can be anything that gives your life meaning. Family, hobbies, volunteering, mentoring, creating, or spiritual practice. Gratitude is also a powerful anti-aging tool. People who regularly practice gratitude have lower levels of inflammation, better sleep, and stronger relationships. This chapter brings everything together and shows how the 6 golden habits become more than routines. They form a lifestyle of health, happiness, and fulfillment. It also includes stories of men and women over 50 who've made remarkable changes and are now living with more energy and joy than ever before. Aging is not a disease, it's a stage of life with incredible potential. With the right habits, you can feel strong, engaged, and vibrant for decades to come.